I remember my very first CAPS convention. On a Sunday night, 10 p.m., I'm going to bed. So my new CAPS friends ask, so why are you going to bed so early? And then I go, well, you know, I'm presenting tomorrow, so I want to be fresh, right? And then I go, oh, cool, you're presenting tomorrow. That's awesome. Give us a bit of your stuff. Okay, so what's going to be your intro? What's your hook? What's going to be your closing story? What's going to be your call for action? What's your dragonfly story? But then it's not true. They didn't ask for the dragonfly story, but I hear it's a thing now and everybody's talking about that. Anyway, so I go give them a bit of my stuff, and then they have suggestions to make me grow. So they help me grow and ask that I change maybe my intro a little bit, and maybe I should tweak my ending, and maybe I should change the middle a little. Maybe I should kind of change it all, right? Yeah, so I go back to my room. Now I'm panicking. It's 5 a.m. I haven't slept yet because I'm growing. No, I'm not. I'm cursing their names. That's what I'm doing, because who changes their stuff the night before they're going to present? Especially when you're presenting in front of professional speakers. Duh, right? But guess what I did? And I nailed it. And I even have video testimonials of Greg Schinkel and Donald Cooper saying that my session was the most valuable session of the entire CAPS convention. And I would have never received any of these video testimonials, if it hadn't been from Patrick Leroux and Martin Latulippe. They took the time, these two Hall of Famer CSPs took the time to help me grow. I grew more in these 12 hours than I had grown in the past 10 years as a professional speaker, a non-CAPS member. So that is how CAPS made me grow, and that is how I continue to grow with CAPS.